Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to apply for 8-fig funding. I've been in the e-commerce game for a while, and if you're like me, you know that managing cash flow, especially when scaling inventory, is a constant challenge. That's where 8-fig comes in, and I want to share my straightforward experience with the application process, so you can get funded faster. No long-winded talk, just the facts. First, the eligibility check. Before you even start, save yourself time and make sure you meet the basic criteria. From my own application experience, they really look at a few key numbers. You need an active e-commerce store, ideally running for at least 6 months. You should be generating $8,000 or more in monthly sales consistently, or have done over $100,000 in annual revenue. This confirms you're an established business, not a startup. Second, the simple online application. The initial sign-up is quick. The most critical part is digitally connecting your e-commerce platform, like Shopify or Amazon, and your business bank account. This is how 8-fig's AI-driven system, which they call the AI CFO, immediately analyzes your sales data, inventory cycles, and revenue trends. Forget uploading stacks of static documents. They prefer real-time data. This connection is key to a fast decision. Third, creating your growth plan. This is where the application becomes unique and, frankly, smart. You don't just ask for a lump sum. You create a growth plan based on your future inventory needs. I did this by detailing my next major inventory purchase, the deposit, the balance payment date, freight costs, and even marketing spend for that batch. You essentially build out your supply chain and cost projections inside their platform. I found that being as precise and realistic as possible here made the whole process smoother. My funding offer was tailored specifically to these expenses and dates. Fourth, the offer and activation. Based on your connected data and your growth plan, 8-fig will generate a funding offer. For me, this came back quickly, within a day or two. It breaks down the cost of capital, which is a fixed fee, not an interest rate, and your remittance schedule. My best advice here is to review it carefully. The huge advantage is that the remittance is designed to be flexible, adapting to your actual sales, which protect your cash flow. Once you accept the terms, you sign the digital contract, and the funds are scheduled for disbursement according to the plan you helped create. My takeaway is this. The best way to apply is to be prepared and transparent. Have your sales consistent, know your supply chain numbers, and use their tools to build a strong, realistic growth plan. The whole process is built for speed and flexibility, which is exactly what a high-growth e-commerce business needs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.